What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this awesome cocktail smoker kit that allows you to have this awesome smoky cocktail. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. As far as what this kit comes with, you will get the wooden smoker part itself. It has this part, of course, that you can take out, and that's where you're going to put your wood chips there as well. It has a top for it as well. You also get these really cool stainless steel cubes, okay? So you throw these in the freezer, and then when your drink is ready, you pop these in your drink and you're good to go. So you get 4 of those. You get a spoon and you get a cleaning brush for the kit as well. So the spoon, of course, is to put the wood chips in, and then the cleaning brush is used to clean out the smoker itself. You get this really awesome torch. So this is a butane torch. You get that, and I will show you how to fill this as well. And then you have all of your different wood chips. So you have 6 different flavors: apple, oak, pear, pecan, beech, and cherry. And if we open these up just to show you the wood chips here, so you can see the wood chips that you get. And then you get a set of instructions. Now I have everything set up here, and the first thing you want to do is fill up the torch with butane. Like I said, this is a butane torch. Really easy to do. You can pick up a refill like this pretty much anywhere. I was able to pick this up, again, very easily. So you shake up your butane, you flip the torch upside down, and all you have to do is just go like this and press it in for about 5 seconds. And it will be full. And then if it's full, you can see that it's on. So it works and we are good to go. Now it's time for our alcohol. And this is very easy. So it's a simple glass filled with alcohol. What you do is you put the actual smoker right on top here, as you can see, and then you get your chips. So we're gonna let's pick oak, and we use the spoon here to get some of those chips out, put them into the smoker. I think that should be good. So we put them into the smoker here, close this up, and then we use the torch here to get some of that smoke going, as you can see. Do it one more time, just get a little bit more smoke there. And then once you get it going good, you want to close it up. And I know it's going to be hard to see, but you do get the smoke in the glass here. So that's why you want to put the top on, to make sure you get that smoke, that nice smoky flavor that you're going to want for your beverage. Give it a second to kind of all let that, marinate in. And then when you're done, you lift it up, you have your smoke coming out. You can put some of your ice cubes in here, and you have just an awesome smoky beverage, and you are good to go. So this is a really cool kit. I think it's a lot of fun. You see this stuff at like bars and stuff like that, but to have this at your home, if you're entertaining people, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So if you are looking for a cocktail smoker kit, this is one that I would definitely recommend.